tall like a strong mountain. Keep your body straight, feet together, and arms relaxed. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Feel calm and powerful. Stand tall like a strong mountain. Now become a tree. Place one foot on your leg and balance. Bring your hands together above your head. Stay steady. Let's be a happy puppy. Put your hands and feet on the ground. Lift your hips up high. Stretch your back and legs. Woof, woof. Great job. Now turn into a cat. Round your back up high. Look down and tuck your chin. Meow. Stretch your spine gently. Time to be a cow. Drop your belly down and lift your head up. Open your chest wide. Feel the stretch in your back. Lie on your tummy like a snake. Press your hands into the ground. Lift your chest up slowly. Yes. Stretch and stay relaxed. Sit down and bring your feet together. Fold your feet and flap your knees. Fly like a butterfly. Up and down. Nice and easy. Let's rest now. Sit back on your heels and stretch forward. Place your head down. Stand up like a strong warrior. Step one foot forward. Raise your arms up high. Look forward with confidence. You are brave and strong. Stretch your arms out to the sides. Look over your front hand. Stay steady and strong. You are a powerful warrior. Great job! You did amazing. See you next time.